Let's learn how to create this. First, download 3D model we provided. Download link added in the description. Click on 3D models, then select this device. Now select downloaded 3D model file. Change size and change position as this. Now, add background color. Right-click on the slide and select Format Background. Click on Gradient Fill. Now change gradient stops and angle. Add title and subtitle using text box. Add another text box and enter description. Duplicate the current slide. Now change the position of 3D model and texts. Duplicate slides as you want and do the same steps. Next, select all slides in your presentation and apply the morph transition. And change duration to 1 second. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.